Hey guys, in today's video we are gonna make a beautiful and easy to build cactus farm. This is gonna be a easy build. I'm gonna improve just my old cactus farm. Just gonna build another layer above it, but you could use the same and just put a hopper and a chest between a thing that I'm gonna tell you during the video. It is gonna be the easy build. Let's just jump into it. You guys need 16 sand, 16 cactus, 8 fence, 1 hopper, 1 chest if you are building it at the first layer or you are building another layer to the farm. That is all you need, and 4 water buckets. That's all you need, and a few slabs, and you need almost like 2 stack of slabs and 1 stack of blocks, 1 stack of any building blocks. So I am going with cobblestone slabs and planks. So yeah, let's so first go up on the fence if you are building on the second layer, and then build up 2. Then just start filling it. I'm gonna fill it real quick. Just make sure that it's above cactus and 1 beside it. So let's just get a filling montage real quick. So guys, I have filled this area. Now it's all about the sand and cactus. Right now I have 16 sand, 16 cactus. It is very easy. So first put the sand at all the 4 corners near the hole. This is the middle hole. From this part all the cactus will fall down to the hopper which is down there. And then you need to build these 4 corners. Means you need to put the sand at the 4 corners, and then you need to go back 2 blocks, and I will fill it the whole area. Then I will show you what happens next and what to do. Guys, I have filled the whole area. Right now I have put some cactuses down also, and yeah, so like I am choosing this corner over here to put some of the fences down. So first go 2 blocks up, do it on the corner on any corner, and go 2 blocks up. This was 3. Go 2 blocks up, and then I accidentally built 3, and because of the server lag the block got placed again. And then you need to do that on the same on the opposite side over here. I'm just doing it right now. Another misplace, and I also ran out of blocks. So I'm just gonna mine a bit of blocks and put some fences down. So you need to put fences on the blocks which you built too tall, and in front of them, like which are facing the hole which is leading towards the hopper. You need to do that, and then after placing that you could remove the temporary block. You could also use dirt as a temporary block, or you could go as cheap as you want, or you could go as expensive as you want. So you could also go for a first layer as a cobblestone layer, not a slab layer, and it depends on you which type of building you want. But you could go for first layer as a cobblestone layer, but as soon as you come to the another, you need to use slabs to not actually because if you don't use slab the cactus will break if you are on a second layer or third layer. So try to like make it easy to build, not very hard, not very bad. So what I'm doing here is I'm just building the fence thingy, and fence thing is also very easy. Like if you do like 2 blocks up, place a fence, and just leave it there, and break all the temporary blocks you placed, and break all the temporary blocks, and put some cactus down, and your farm is ready. The only thing is left is the water. As it's water time, I took my 4 water buckets out, placed the water at all the corners, and yeah, after placing water buckets at all the corners, it reached to the main point, which is the place from where if the cactus will grow, it will jump down there. The cloud was disturbing me to film this thing, but yeah, this farm was completely done. It was a bit of food time because I was very low, you could see, and then I thought to jump down. Actually, did not thought to jump down, but I was trying to show you guys what the how down it was. It was very down, and the cactus farm build was completely done. That's how you make a cactus farm, and that was all for this video. Tata, bye bye, see you tomorrow.